Absolutely fabulous one-story home in gated community Hathaway and lots of great amenities. This one-story model has been meticulously maintained and features vaulted ceilings, updated eat-in kitchen with granite countertop and nice appliances. Beautiful bar area. Master bathroom have been totally updated with beautiful tile and vanities. Has large-size walk-in shower. Second bathroom beautifully updated. Also finished garage that could be converted easily. Covered up large patio that exits to great patio and sitting area with mature trees. Community features clubhouse, resort-style pool, fitness center, volleyball, basketball, tennis, tot lot and nature trail. This is an amazing home and it will not last long.